if you're trying to launch any game and you get this Ubisoft Connect installation error, unable to find Ubisoft Connect, please check your installation and then try again. Now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Make sure to follow the instructions very carefully. Now for me, I downloaded this Rainbow Six Siege from Steam, and then when I tried to launch the game, I got this error. Now the fix is very easy. Just go on Google. So you can just go on Google in any search engine and then search for Ubisoft Connect download. So just make sure to search for Ubisoft Connect download, and then make sure to click the first link from this Ubisoft website to download this software. So if I click on it, it will take you to this page here. Now you'll see an option here to say download Ubisoft Connect. Make sure to click on this link here. Now if you click on download Ubisoft Connect, Ubisoft will start downloading automatically. Now, after downloading the Ubisoft Connect application, it will be like this, which is an installation executable file. You just need to open this file and install Ubisoft installer on your PC. After installing this program, it will be found on your home screen here, which is Ubisoft Connect. Now make sure to open this Ubisoft Connect. If you don't have an account, make sure to register it. Now you can register by going here to just write Ubisoft Connect, register, then search. Just select here, create a Ubisoft account. And make sure to create an account for your Ubisoft Connect. After creating an account, then you should log in into your Ubisoft account. After login, open this Ubisoft Connect account application and make sure to log in using the account that you have created through the website. So upon login, it will look like this. Now after logging to your Ubisoft Connect account in this application, just leave it like this. Now come here to Steam or any application that you try to run the game. Now I was trying to launch this Rainbow Six Siege, so I'll just select here play. After selecting play, you'll have to wait like a few just seconds or minute, and it will open this Ubisoft Connect. It will say starting game, and they say this will bind the following products to your Ubisoft account which you created there and log in into the application. So it will ask you just need to select continue, and then it'll say preparing to launch your game, and the game will launch without any issues. So the issue here is just to download the Ubisoft Connect account. After downloading this application, log in into your account, launch the game, and the issue should just be resolved. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this has helped you, and see you next time.